Hey guys, Afton here with the Bobby and Afton Real Estate Group. So this is our kickoff to our Millionaire Real Estate Investor. We are going to go over chapter 1 today. So it's just kind of a recap of what I learned and a few ahas and to really get us going. Okay? So really, the biggest thing that I learned was money lives on the other side of fear. Okay? So does opportunity. Now, fear's not always a bad thing, right? Fear points out what is most important to us. So when you do have fear coming up in your life and anything in life, think about it. What is the fear around? Are you afraid of failing? Are you afraid of not knowing enough? Are you afraid of not leaving a legacy behind for your family? What is that fear? Okay, and what's the best way to combat that fear? It's to educate yourself and to learn about whatever it is that you have passion in and what you want to do. So don't be afraid of your fear. Acknowledge it and respect it, because it's not all bad, right? And your fear really is only as big as you allow it to be. You know, it's only a big deal if you make it a big deal. So, okay. So in investing, if you've never done it before, your fear is probably, I don't know enough. I don't even know where to begin, right? So the first thing we can do is educate yourself. Follow a proven model. A model is basically a repeatable process that yields you desirable results that you want, right? So the model that you want to follow is, we're not going to create a model. We're going to go and we're going to look at the models that other highly successful investors have already gone through, and we're just going to copy them. We don't have to do it on the high scale. If your goal is to buy one investment property, perfect. And we're taking a model from somebody that has purchased and sold maybe hundreds of investment properties. That doesn't mean that this isn't the right model for us. It means that they've done it over and over again and have a proven track record of success. So we want to take that model and implement it into our world. Okay, so this book really is 2 parts. 1 part mindset and 1 part action. Okay, the only way that you will be successful in anything that you do is to take action with it. And how to do that is to really focus in on it. Giving yourself maybe an hour a week or a couple of hours a month of focus isn't going to yield the results that you want. So if it's something that you truly are passionate about, it's giving yourself some dedicated focus, maybe every day or a handful of hours every week to learn about it, okay? So the 3 areas of focus, these are the core areas for any investing that you're gonna do. So the first one is criteria. Criteria is basically what you buy. Is it gonna be a single family house? Is it gonna be a duplex, a multifamily, an apartment? What kind of construction is it? Right? Amenities for either resale or rentals. So the amenities that make it desirable. So is it like being in a specific school district? That's part of your criteria. Is it being in a certain area of desirability? That's going to be part of your criteria when looking for a property. Okay. Terms. That's your second area for focus. So what are the terms going to be? Your terms is how you buy the property. So those are all the negotiable parts of it. So pretty much how you make your deal, the price, the down payment, who's paying your closing costs, your interest rate, things like that, okay? And then the third thing for focus is the network, your network. So it's the who's gonna help you, whether it's your lender, your contractor that's gonna help do the work for you, property manager that's gonna help tell you what the rents are going for in a neighborhood if you're gonna hold it, your realtor to help you find the criteria and find the deal, right? So anybody that's gonna support all the investing that you do, all right? So just to kind of recap on all of that, your criteria identifies your potential deals, right? Your terms determine the actual deal, and your network supports all of your deals. Okay. So just to kind of recap what we just went over, fear can be a good thing because it's going to point out what's most important to you, okay? And if you have focus and education, the 3 things that we want to focus on is your criteria. You're going to focus on the terms, and you're going to focus on your network, okay? So helping build those and figuring out what those look like for you. So stay tuned for next week for chapter 2. For your free copy of the Millionaire Real Estate Investor, click the link in the description and we can set it off so that you can follow along with us. For any other videos, if you're coming in midway through this series, check out our YouTube channel, which the link is in our bio, for any videos that we've done moving up to this point. You can find us on Facebook and Instagram for any additional updates, and I'm looking forward to being on this journey with you guys.